अवश्य छैन, ऑफकोर्स नॉट, ऑफकोर्स नॉट। जबकि पहिले, while ago, एक पटक, once a while, केही बेरमा, in a little while, बढीमा, at most, कसले भन्यो, who said, अलि बेरको लागि, for a little while, त्यो कसरी, how that, don't worry, चिन्ता न गर्नुहोस्, के को बारेमा, about what, कुन तरिकामा, in what way, ढिलो न गर्नुहोस्, don't be late, योजना के छ, what is the plan, कहाँ जाने, where to go, कसरी भन्ने, how to say, अरू केही छैन, nothing else, समस्या छैन, no problem, निसन्देह, undoubted, भरोसा राख्नुहोस्, keep trust, भेटोला, see you, म भन्छु, I say, मैले भने, I said, कति बजे, what time, ध्यानपूर्वक हेर्नुहोस्, look carefully, सीधा बस्नुहोस्, sit straight, मलाई भन्नुहोस्, tell me, मलाई पिछा गर्नुहोस्, follow me, पर्याप्त, enough, मजा लिनुहोस्, enjoy, मलाई जान देऊ, let me go, मसँग आऊ, come with me, यो सत्य हो, this is the truth, म जाँदैछु, I am going, अपर्याप्त, not enough, स्पष्ट रूपमा, obviously, मलाई थाहा छ, I know, उसलाई बोल्न दिनुहोस्, let him speak, फेरि हैन, not again, म जानु पर्छ, I have to go, यसलाई सजिलै लिनुहोस्, take it easy, जारी रहनुहोस्, stay on, आफै गर, do it yourself, हो यो हो, yes it is, कुनै हालतमा हुँदैन, no way, तिमी खस्ने छौ, you will fall, गर, do it, यसलाई बिर्सनुहोस्, forget it, ख्याल राख्नुहोस्, take care, किन नगर्ने, why not, धेरै भयो, a lot happened, उनी कस्तो छिन्, how is she, हतार गर्नुहोस्, hurry up, hurry up. यो कस्तो छ? How is it? How is it? साँच्चै? Really, really. अर्को लिनुहोस्? Take another, take another. तपाईँ के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you doing? What are you doing? मलाई थाहा छैन. I have no idea. I have no idea. म सहमत छु. I agree. I agree. म घरमा छु. I am at home. I am at home. ठिकै छ. It's okay. It's okay. यो साँच्चै समय लाग्छ. It really takes time. It really takes time. यो उत्तमको लागि हो. It's for the best. It's for the best. होइन म चाहन्न. No, I don't want. No, I don't want. फेरि भेट होला. See you next time. See you next time. त्यसो भयो म के गरौँ? So what I do? So what I do? तिम्रो काम के हो? What is your job? What is your job? तिम्रो नाम के हो? What's your name? What's your name? तिमी कहाँको हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? मैले भर्खर बनाएको छु. I just made. I just made. मजा लिनुहोस्. Enjoy. Enjoy. मलाई पिछा गर्नुहोस्. Follow me. Follow me. त्यस्तो केही छैन. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. अब मेरो पालो हो. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. कान खोलेर सुना. Open your ears and listen. Open your ears and listen. मसँग खेला. Play with me. Play with me. ताला राख्नुहोस्. Put it down. Put it down. फेरि भना. Say it again. Say it again. भोलि भेट होला. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Splunch माथि. Splunch up. Splunch up. बत्ती बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. Light on गर्नुहोस्. Switch on the light. Switch on the light. मलाई सत्य भन्नुहोस्. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. भन कहाँ जाने. Tell me where to go. Tell me where to go. जे भए पनि. After all. After all. जसरी पनि. Anyhow. Anyhow. यो मेरो निर्णय हो. This is my decision. This is my decision. आज धेरै चिसो छ. Today is very cold. Today is very cold. के भन्नु भयो? What did you say? What did you say? तिमीले के भन्यौ? What did you say? What did you say? तिमीलाई के हुन्छ? What happens to you? What happens to you? मीटर के हो? What is the meter? What is the meter? मैले के गर्नु पर्छ? What should I do? What should I do? तिम्रो मोबाइल कहाँ छ? Where is your mobile? Where is your mobile? उनी को हुन्? Who is she? Who is she? तिमी धोकेबाज हो. You are a cheater. You are a cheater. केही पनि. Anything. Anything. तपाईले राम्रो काम गर्नुभयो. You did a good job. You did a good job. तिमीले मेरो काम गर्ने नौ. You did not do my work. You did not do my work. तपाईले मौका गुमाउनु भयो. You have lost the chance. You have lost the chance. तिम्रो काम पूरा हुनेछ. Your work will be done. Your work will be done. अवश्य छैन. Of course not. Of course not. जबकि पहिले. While ago. While ago. एक पटक. Once a while. Once a while. केही बेरमा. In a little while. In a little while. बढीमा. At most. At most. कसले भन्यो. Who said. Who said. अलि बेरको लागि. For a little while. For a little while. त्यो कसरी. How that. How that. Don't worry. चिन्ता न गर्नुहोस्. चिन्ता न गर्नुहोस्. के को बारेमा. About what. About what. कुन तरिकामा. In what way. In what way. ढिलो न गर्नुहोस्. Don't be late. Don't be late. योजना के छ. What is the plan. What is the plan. कहाँ जाने. Where to go. Where to go. कसरी भन्ने. How to say. How to say. अरू केही छैन. Nothing else. Nothing else. समस्या छैन. No problem. No problem. निसन्देह. Undoubted. Undoubted. भरोसा राख्नुहोस्. Keep trust. Keep trust. भेटोला. See you. See you. म भन्छु. I say. I say. मैले भने. I said. I said. कति बजे. What time. What time. ध्यानपूर्वक हेर्नुहोस्. Look carefully. Look carefully. सीधा बस्नुहोस्. Sit straight. Sit straight. मलाई भन्नुहोस्. Tell me. Tell me. मलाई पीछा गर्नुहोस्. Follow me. Follow me. पर्याप्त. Enough. Enough. मजा लिनुहोस्. Enjoy. Enjoy. मलाई जान देऊ. Let me go. Let me go. मसँग आऊ. Come with me. Come with me. यो सत्य हो. This is the truth. This is the truth. म जाँदैछु. I am going. I am going. अपर्याप्त. Not enough. Not enough. स्पष्ट रूपमा. Obviously. Obviously. मलाई थाहा छ. I know. I know. उसलाई बोल्न दिनुहोस्. Let him speak. Let him speak. फेरि हैन. Not again. Not again. म जानु पर्छ. I have to go. I have to go. यसलाई सजिलै लिनुहोस्. Take it easy. Take it easy. जारी रहनुहोस्. Stay on. Stay on. आफै गर. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. हो यो हो. Yes it is. Yes it is. कुनै हालतमा हुँदैन. No way. No way. तिमी खस्ने छौ. You will fall. You will fall. गर. Do it. Do it. यसलाई बिर्सनुहोस्. Forget it. Forget it. ખ્યાલ રાખનું હોસ ટેક કેयर કિના ના કરને વાય નોટ धेरै ભાઈઓ આ લોટ હેપન્ડ ઉની કસ્તો છેન હાઉ ઇઝ શી હતાર કરનું હોસ હરી અપ યો કસ્તો છા હાઉ ઇઝ ઇટ સાચઈ રિયલી અરકોલીનું હોસ ટેક અનધર તાપાઈ કે ગર્દે હુનુંછા વટ આર યુ ડુઈંગ માલય થા છૈના આઈ હેવ નો આઈડિયા માં સહેમત છું આઈ એગ્રી માં ઘરમાં છું આઈ એમ એટ હોમ ઠીકઈ છા ઇટ્સ ઓકે યો સાચે સમય લાગચા ઇટ રિયલી ટેક્સ ટાઈમ યો ઉત્તમ કો લાગી હો ઇટ્સ ફોર હી બેસ્ટ હોઈના માં ચાહન્ના નો આઈ ડોન્ટ વોન્ટ ફેરી ભેટોલા See you next time. तेसो भाइयों मैं के करूँ? So what I do? तिमरो काम के हो? What is your job? तिमरो नाम के हो? What's your name? तिमी कहाँ को हो? Where are you from? मैले भरकर बनाए को छूँ I just made मजा लीनु होस enjoy मालाई पीछा करनु होस follow me त्यस्तो केही छैन nothing like that आबा मेरो पालो हो Now it's my turn. कान खोलेरा सुना. Open your ears and listen. माँ संगा खेला. Play with me. ताला रखनु होस. Put it down. फेरी भना. Say it again. भोली भेटोला. See you tomorrow. Splunch माथी. Splunch up. बत्ती बंदा करनु होस. Switch off the light. Light on करनु होस. Switch on the light. माले सत्य भन्नु होस. Tell me the truth. भाना कहाँ जाने. Tell me where to go. जे भाई पनी. After all. जसरी पनी. Anyhow. यो मेरो निर्णय हो. This is my decision. आजा धेरे चीसो छा. Today is very cold. के भन्नु भयो. What did you say? तिमीले के भन्यो. What did you say? तिमीलाई के हुन्छ. What happens to you? मीटर के हो. What is the meter? मैले के गर्नु पर्छ. What should I do? तिम्रो मोबाइल कहाँ छ. Where is your mobile? वेयर इज़ योर मोबाइल? उनी को हुन। हु इज़ शी? हु इज़ शी? तिमी धोखेबाज हो। यू आर आ चीटर। यू आर आ चीटर। केही पनि। एनीथिंग। एनीथिंग। तपाईँले राम्रो काम गर्नुभयो। यू डिड अ गुड जॉब। यू डिड अ गुड जॉब। तिमीले मेरो काम गर्नेनौ। यू डिड नॉट डू माई वर्क। यू डिड नॉट डू माई वर्क। तपाईँले मौका गुमाउनु भयो। यू हैव लॉस्ट द चांस। यू हैव लॉस्ट द चांस। तिम्रो काम पूरा हुनेछ। योर वर्क विल बी डन। योर वर्क विल बी डन।